Tired of wasting hours comparing car rentals? Learn the exact steps to find the best deal on Expedia in under 5 minutes. I'll walk you through each step, from entering your details to using filters to narrow down the best options. So let's start at the beginning. Open up your browser and head over to Expedia.com. This is where everything happens, so make sure you're on the right site. It's straightforward, just type it in or use your bookmarks if you have it saved. Now from the main navigation menu up at the top, you'll see a bunch of options: flights, hotels, and cars. Click on Cars. That's going to switch the page over to the car rental search tool. And here's the important part. This is where you'll be spending your time, so take a breath. We're going to make this easy. Next up, enter your pickup and drop-off locations. Most people just type the city or airport where they're picking up the car. For example, if you're flying into Los Angeles, type Los Angeles Airport or LAX. The system will usually suggest the exact spot. And for drop-off, you can enter the same location if you're returning it there, or a different one if you're doing a one-way rental. Just double-check the spelling and the location name so you don't end up searching the wrong area. Now for the dates and times. This is where a lot of people get tripped up. You need to select your pickup date and time and your return date and time. Make sure you're accurate here. If you pick up at 10 a.m. and return at 10 a.m. 3 days later, that's a 3-day rental. But if you pick up at noon and return at 10 a.m., that's only 2 days and some hours. Expedia will calculate the total based on the exact hours, so it's better to set the times close to when you actually need the car. This can save you money or help you avoid extra fees. Once everything looks good, click the Search button. This might take a moment to process. Expedia will pull up all the available cars from different rental companies at that location. It's a lot of information, but don't worry, we're going to sort through it. Now you're looking at a page full of options. You'll see cars sorted by price by default. Browse through them. You'll notice different car types: economy, compact, midsize, SUV, luxury. The price shown usually includes taxes and fees, but always check the fine print. Some companies add extras like insurance or additional driver fees. Don't just look at the first option. Scroll down a bit. This is where the real magic happens, using filters to narrow your results. On the left side of the screen, you'll see filters for car type, price range, rental company, and features like unlimited mileage or automatic transmission. If you only want automatic cars, check that box. If you prefer a specific rental brand like Hertz or Enterprise, you can select those too. And here's a great tip. If you're flexible on car size, set a max price and see what's available in that range. You might find a larger car for a similar price. Filters are your best friend here, so use them liberally. After you've narrowed it down, click on a specific car rental option to view more details. This will take you to a page that shows the full breakdown: the rental company's policies, fuel policy, cancellation terms, and the total cost. Take a moment to read through that. Make sure you're comfortable with the mileage limit. Some rentals have unlimited mileage, others don't. Also check if you need to bring your own car seat or if they offer one. This is where you'll confirm everything is as expected. And that's it. You've gone from feeling overwhelmed to confidently finding and booking the perfect rental in just a few minutes. Now go ahead and complete your booking, or save the search if you're not ready yet. You've got this. Thanks for sticking with me and happy travels.